episode of Colt Fishing TV. This episode, I'm car camping. Got up here last night with the girlfriend and we had noodle stir fry. She's getting ready to cook breakfast. There's gonna be no fishing in this one, but I think we're gonna go to the water and we're gonna cook some lunch. Show you guys some cool shots hopefully, and for fishing wise, I think it's in 2 weeks pike opens. Very slow right now for fishing. I've gone out a few times and I've caught two bass. Caught a 4.5 pounder and a 2.5 pounder ish. And I'm excited to bring you guys along on Mother's Day. Taking my mother out for Mother's Day in the boat. We're going pike fishing. This lake is awesome. It's a small lake, but it produces lots and lots of pike all the time. So I'm excited to take you guys along with me here. But for now, we're just going to be doing some camping, car camping. It's freaking awesome. First camping trip of the season. Well, mine is ice camping, but first actual camping of the season. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys the new camping setup for the car camper. Look at this here. We went and picked up a little screen-in tent, a little table right over the back of the car. This is pretty zoomed in, this camera, but oh, that's better. Over the back of the car. Nice little table, little cooker. We prefer to cook on the fire though. This is just for the coffee. Oh, speaking of coffee. Now I'll show everyone what I did inside the car. Inside the car is awesome. Cardboard boxes. These ones are on the wrong side. And then sun visor on the back and front. Now, just picked up 2 foam mats from Gear Doctors. These things are awesome. This is what I took ice camping, and it really works pretty good. Put a sleeping bag down over top, and then see the visor over there. Everything's enclosed. No one could see in. Sleeping bag down, blanket, and works perfect. Also got new decals on the car. Added a new little claw mark and some bullet marks. I was gonna try go up the hill, but there it is. I decided not to this time. No need to. Breakfast is served. Our stir fry mixed in with egg and cheese. It's freaking good. Got chicken in here, everything. So good. So freaking good. No, I wonder if that guy made it in.
Me too.
At this moment right now, I really regret not bringing a fishing rod. I didn't think it was going to be this nice, to be honest. But it is really windy. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I still regret not taking a rod. What are you going to do next time? We're not forgetting the rod. We're not leaving the rod. We're taking it. Okay, I really wish I brought a fishing rod, so I just ran to local hardware store, well, local general store. Walked in there, they had no rods, none at all. So I asked them, I said, do you have any rods like in the back? And they said, we got one. We got a rod that had 4 spinners. It's an ugly stick, GX2, little button reel thing. It was actually really expensive at that little store, but we got a rod, we got some bait, bought some night crawlers. We're gonna go see if we can catch a trout. And these lakes are really hard to fish offshore, but I'm up for the challenge. I saw the water and it just looked too good to fish. I don't know why I would ever leave home without a fishing rod, but I did. But we got one now. We got that problem fixed. Now we just gotta catch a fish on this expensive, cheap spinning reel. We're gonna have to make it work. Probably gonna cook some burgers down there, I'm hoping, and we'll see you guys when we get down there. We have made it to the spot. If you guys watch my videos, you guys have already seen this on my last camping adventure, but big rocks. Someone, I guess, started building something and then realized it's too far to get back here, I guess. Too hard to build. Just gave up. This is a big point. I think it's the only point on this lake. We're gonna make some burgers, throw a few lines out, and see what happens. We got our troll all baited up. First cast. Hopefully we don't lose it. We only got 3 of them. This line doesn't cast too good. There's nothing like having burgers and wobbly pops with this view. It's nothing like it. Get out there and go adventure. Cheers. Little update for you guys. As you can guess, fishing wasn't the best. Fished for a few hours and no luck. Lost one of my trolls, and I think I had 1 bite, but I wouldn't even call that a bite. So we came back to camp and I cut up some firewood. Firewood time. Remember this, first person view. First camping video with the saw. Lead the way. Boop. That way. All the wood up here is pretty wet. Probably because the snow just left and all the rain and everything. Lots of rain recently, but I got a fire going now. We're going to be cooking some venison over the fire tonight. It's going to be friggin' delicious. I can't wait. But it's been slow this year to get going. Late spring, I'm guessing. So water temps need to warm up, and we got to get slamming some fish. And we'll be doing a lot more of this car camping too. I really enjoy it. The new setup works awesome with the gazebo and all that other fun stuff. See you guys when we start cooking some friggin' venison. Dinner is served. And I'm getting smoked out. Some good stuff. That steak is on point. I can't see. Too much smoke. Okay everyone, that's going to be it for this trip. Here cooking breakfast, starting to pack up. Look at this here though. We got some egg, bacon and noodles. Egg's not in there yet, but it's going in there soon. Hopefully everyone enjoyed this episode, and I'll catch you guys either next weekend or in 2 weeks. Cold Fishing TV is out.